Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Ashlyn. I am a teen mom to my son Atlas, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use a baby wrap. So the first thing you're going to do is look for the tag to know that this is the middle half, and then you're going to wrap it around your body, and then in the back you're going to wrap it around and then pull it up to the front. And then you're going to want to tighten these. And then back in the front, you're going to pull this back up. You're going to take these two and twist them. And then put it through. Make sure it stays twisted. And tighten them again. I'm sure it's coming up. And then now that they're twisted, you're going to take them and you're going to put it behind your back and then up in the front again. And then you can tie it in the front or on your side. So now with that done, you should have a middle piece like this. And you're going to pull that down and you should have two like this. So then you're going to go to pick up your child, and then you're going to put this over their body first, the one closest to you, and then this one, and then you'll pull this up over their body. So let me attempt to demonstrate that. Tell me, baby. So what I do is I hold him to my chest. This is a struggle. And then I'll take these. Oh, please don't spit up on me. Sweating. Wait, what? What did I do? Oh no. This is so much more stressful when you're recording it. So then it should look like this with them over, and it should be supporting. And then you're going to take this. Let me make sure it's good. You're going to take the lower one, put their legs through, and then pull it up like that. And that, ladies and gentlemen, after some sweat, you got a baby in your baby wrap. Look, Peanut. Say hi. Yeah. So that is how I use my baby wrap. And to take him out, I pull this down, the first layer. Get it, make sure his feet are out. I will come to a surface and I will support his head and then pull it down my shoulders and let go, Peanut. Voila! And then you just got this leftover scrap of it. Anyways guys, I hope that video was helpful to you and it was somewhat easy to understand. That was a lot harder of a video than I thought it would be, and a lot harder of a tutorial to show than I thought. But I hope it helped in some way and gave you some more clarity on how to use your baby wrap. If you would, please consider subscribing and check out my other videos. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Where's Peanut? Peanut butter! Peanut!